Traders, Anthony here. It's a question for you. Do Forex signals with results like this interest you? Let me introduce you to our Telegram group. This is where I post my live trades I'm taking on one of my prop firm accounts. Okay, we can see some results here, and the kind of information you receive comes in the form of videos, but more importantly you get my entry levels. And another example here, you can see sell market and sell limit orders. If you're looking to build your Forex account or your prop firm account, here's an invite to jump on board. So what we'll do is quickly jump into TradingView, and I want to show you the last 10. Just go back 10 and have a look and see what the kind of results we're getting with these. I've marked these up in red over here, highlighted them in red so we can scroll back, and I've kept the markup. Okay, so that was an Aussie yen buy off this green signal here. There's a strategy to this. I won't go into that with this video. However, we do have a full video tutorial list that you can access. This one was Swissy yen, as you can see here, and it was based on, there was actually, I think it might have been a 5-minute chart or a 30-minute. I mean, look at this signal here, for example. Okay, just opening this up on the 5-minute, so that was a signal entered down in here, short, and that was quite a nice outcome. You have the option of closing at target 1 or taking partial profits at target 1, and I encourage 70%, and then trailing the rest. And we use these signals, our green dots, to help us make decisions insofar as where we might want to take profit or exit our trade. Okay, this one was a recent Euro Oz. There was a signal on a different time frame down here. There's a dot indicating it's time to close Euro CAD. I'm inviting you to join me on this journey. There's our alert here to close Euro Dollar. If you go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com, all the information's there. Yeah, I mean, you can see the kind of results that we're getting. Pound Swiss, just quickly run through them so you can see. Okay, so that was a nice outcome if you're trailing it. Notice our cloud, by the way, this thing here. So if we get a breakout of the cloud, you can stay in this trade until you see the trend shift. In other words, you see lower highs, lower lows. That's an indication, but I can assure you on the lower time frame there was a signal here. So generally what we do is we open this up on a multi-time frame layout where you can have a daily, a 4-hour, etc., 5 or 3-minute if you like. I won't go into that. As I mentioned, there's a ton of videos on how I trade, and this one was short. There's the signal. We took it on a pullback. So I mean, if you like what you're seeing here, definitely jump on board. So head over to tradingwithanthony.com. There's information. There's the YouTube channel. You can watch the videos, information about me here, Forex signals, and honestly, shout me a hamburger and chips every month. I'll let you do the math. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I look forward to seeing you in Telegram.